Well, I'm not the most tech savvy person in the world, but I'm hoping to give you a simple step-by-step on how to go from making a video on your phone to merging it together with other videos and then putting it up online, so that way if you want to teach an arts and sciences class, you can do so. Here we go. Make sure to select thumbs up that you like this video. Click subscribe to be updated when new videos come out. And if you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. Going on to Google, and I'm going to put in Movie Maker 10. And then right here, get Movie Maker 10. It's free. It's a Microsoft. And from here, you would click Get. No, I don't want to sign up. And then once you click Get, then it'll give you instructions for uploading it. I've actually already uploaded it. So if I go over here, once you've uploaded it, this is what it will look like. And now from here, I want to click Create New Project. I've already uploaded a couple of videos onto my cell phone that I'm actually going to be merging with the Movie Maker. Okay, so first what I like to do is I go down here to Add Clip, and I'll add a title. And I'll put in purple and add a text. And here I'm going to change my font. I want to make it bold, make it larger, and click OK. So now we've got Learning with Me. Yay! Okay, so for the next clip, I'm going to go back down here and click Add Clip. I'm just going to click for End of the Project. Click to add photo or video. Just have to find my file here. And on my phone, it is under DCIM. Scroll down to the end. And I'm importing the first video file. And on this one, if I want to change the volume, I can. If I need to rotate it, I can. Also, transition, I like to do the fade. For more tools, if you choose, you can select Trim Video, and you can trim off the, go ahead and show you. You can click Add Trimmer, and then move things around for the section you want to trim off. So if I want to trim off the last couple seconds, I can. You can preview it. If you like what you've trimmed off, click Save. If not, there's a little back button up here in the left corner. Now I'm going to add my next clip. I've still got it for the end of the project. Click Photo Video. And go to find my next video. And again, I can change the volume if I want, rotate it. I like to still do a fade. And then for my last clip, I'm going to put credits. Purple, click Add Text, and then whatever I want to put. If I want to change the font, and here if I want to change the size, click OK. Now if I want to do anything else to the video, now is the time to do it. I can edit the soundtrack, and from here I can insert music for the whole video. If I want to put music in for just a single section of the video, I can. So I'm going to actually put music in at the end, insert music. And they have some music files uploaded on this program, or you can also use your own music if you prefer. Now that I've got that done, I'll just click back and it automatically saves it. You can see it right here. And now that I'm done with my project, I'm going to click Save Video. It will ask me, do you want to save the current project? Yes. Do I want to buy the program? No, maybe later. Make movie. What do I want to save it as? I'll just put it as test. And now it will be doing this for a little while. So I'll be back in a minute. And now up here in the top right corner, I'm going to click the button for upload video. I'm going to select my file. Let's see, videos. That was under test. And now we wait a moment. And while this shows it's uploading down here, oh, it's already uploaded, now it's processing. So in the meantime, I'm going to put in a title. So whatever you want the title to be, you put up here, and then underneath that, description. Whatever you want. Down here, I can select if you've got playlists. You can select if you want a playlist. I've got a couple here, so I can put this as SCA and an educational how-to video. I'm done. My video has been processed. I can select if I want a different thumbnail to show when people look at it what picture I want. If I don't like these three options, I can click here to upload thumbnail and select a different picture to be included. The only thing is it has to be under, I think it's 2 megabytes. If it's larger than that, it'll give you an error message. So I guess I'll go with this. And I'll select next. And normally you can click here for add an end screen, and that's where you can put other tidbits on your video if you want to advertise for your video channel or anything else. Other videos that you want to promote, you can put there, but as you see, it says that my video must be 25 seconds or longer, so I can't add that. So I'm going to skip it and hit next. And from here, I can choose if I want it to be public, if I want it to be unlisted, if I want it to be private. I can schedule the video if I want to schedule it to be viewed publicly or privately, however, on March 30th, April, whenever. I can select the day, I can select the time. For now, I'm just going to set this as private. And let's see, click save. If you look up here on the top, you'll see where my video is there. Right now it's showing that's private, so no one can view it, but my video has been uploaded. Thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video and would like to watch more of my videos, please follow the links on the left-hand side. Remember to select thumbs up that you like this video. Please subscribe to be updated when new videos come out. And if you have any questions, please post them in the comments below.